My love, honey and some salt. I came here.
Welcome to Doing Stuff with C-Lat. Today I'm going to be mixing some soil and placing a little soil in these makeshift for seeds, for planting. I usually get these from, a local dollar store or whatever. Every year I'm spending money on, you get like 5 or 6 of these things with, for $1. Very cheap. Pull them up, fill them halfway up with soil, put your seeds in, water them, let your seeds germinate. But I made a short video using some egg, egg carton little things I cut up with a box cutter. So just to go ahead and get started, you're going to need a bucket, of course, something to mix the soil in, or you can just mix it in here. But basically what I've done is I'm using Vigro all-purpose soil, but you can use any soil that you want. And then I've got potting mix, a potting soil mix, so you can use whatever you want to. It doesn't really matter. I'm using Expert Gardener today, but I got this little scooper. I'm going to take my potting soil, take a couple scoops, put it here. And then I'm going to take some actual gardening soil. Take a few scoops of that, mix it here, and then I'll give it all a good stir. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the colors are a lot different. Also mix all that up. And I'm going to take one of my containers. In this case, I'm going to take one of these. And then I'm going to use one of these and just fill it up with soil halfway up, because I got to put my seeds in. So about right here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's just halfway. And then likewise with my egg carton. Likewise halfway here. So here's what this looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but about halfway and then halfway here. So once that's done, you can grab your seeds and put them in. Pretty much it's really quick. Put your seeds in, put a nice little level of some soil that you already mixed on top, water it, and wait for the magic in the harvest eventually. So I'm going to be putting some seeds in here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with these habanero peppers, and then I've got some cucumbers that I'm going to use for pickling. So of course, let's start with the cucumbers. And cucumber seeds aren't big and they're not small, so if you see on my finger here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my container and just sprinkle some seeds. I always do like 2 for each slot. So just like that, you see those 2 seeds there, and I'll just keep doing it just in case one doesn't germinate, and so 2 per slot. Just keep going, and it's just enough seeds in here. I think it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 egg containers, and for the most part. So some of these I've accidentally did 3, so 1, so 3 compartments. So there you go. So just like that, And then I'm going to put some soil. So I'm covering them up level, and then I'm going to water these, and these are going to be ready to go. With this container here, basically just, I don't know, I'll just do 4 here. Put 4 seeds in there like that. Put a layer of soil on, and we'll be ready to go with that one.